Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 6, day 3 of our study. The topic this week is What's the Alternative? And we are already halfway through our week. Seems to be going fast, at least for me. Yesterday I put up a verse from Isaiah and told you that we are going to be talking about that verse throughout the week. And so I wanted to put it up again today, but from a different translation. And so again, this is Isaiah 6:5, and this translation is from the Message. And here it is. I said, doom, it's doomsday. I'm as good as dead. Every word I've ever spoken is tainted, blasphemous even, and the people I live with talk the same way, using words that corrupt and desecrate. And here I've looked God in the face, the King, God of the angel armies. So my question for today is, yesterday I asked, why was he so angry? Why was Isaiah so angry? Today I want to ask, what do you think Isaiah regrets? So our quote from today comes from Nicole Johnson. There is no life without pain, no treasure without the hunt. Getting things easily will never make us into the women God is calling us to be. Every struggle, every hardship, every just hard lesson that we've had in life makes us who we are. And the way that we respond to those things makes us who we are. And so they either build us up and make us stronger, or they can tear us down. And I think that a lot of that is our choice on how we're gonna approach that. So so our kind of midweek wrap up or check in. Do you remember Eddie Haskell? He was one of the neighborhood kids on Leave It to Beaver. What a little weasel. We all knew he had a mean streak, but he could turn wide-eyed and innocent whenever the grown-ups came around. It was infuriating to watch him in action. Keep in mind that contentment is not an Eddie Haskell sham, pasting on a cheerful demeanor no matter what you may be thinking and feeling underneath. As with anything in life, contentment requires learning to balance. You can't assume that because life will never be perfect on earth, you can stomp around telling everybody so. Likewise, you cannot assume that because life will never be perfect on earth, you can never find contentment. God promises it is here for us. We just need to find it and learn to live with it. So it's there. We just have to search, and we have to be willing to find it. So we've all played hide and seek with the kids where we want them to go hide and then we take our time finding them. Yeah, don't do that with contentment. Go out there and actively search and find it. So our question today, question 5, does this mean we should pretend to be happy all the time, putting on a false smile no matter what is going on in our hearts? And question 6, what is the cure for the complainer according to Isaiah 29:24? So again, I look forward to your responses. Stay safe. I just got back a few minutes ago from taking a walk around the neighborhood with Sam, and boy, it sure doesn't look like it's a stay-at-home right now. There were teenage kids everywhere, gathering out on the football field, gathering in the parking lot, out playing basketball in the street. So I think that people are tired of this staying at home and maybe tired of having their kids at home and letting them go out and do things. So hopefully that's not going to be a bad thing. So we have another week of this, so stay safe, stay healthy, stay home, and we will talk to you next week. Blessings to you and your family.